money, Daddy.
What up, what up? So D, back with another video. And today I got the Nerf rival, Overwatch McCree. So if you play Overwatch, you know that this is the lawman. He uses the 6-shooter. And this Nerf gun is pretty old, but I got my hands on it. Thought it was hot, wanted it for my collection. And wanted to play around with it with the kids. So I'm gonna crack this thing on open, take a couple of shots at them, and have some fun with it. So let's get it started. So we got a couple of tabs here. Peel this off. Come on. Alright. So I like the presentation of this. We got a little sticker here. Oh no, it's not a sticker, this is the instructions, okay. We got a badge, so to let you know I'm a lawman. Alright, get this thing out without breaking it. There we go. So we got the badge, it's kind of hefty too, wow. Alright, got the little clip in the back, let you know I'm a lawman for the future. We got 6 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I love the design of the gun, like, oh man, they really put this thing in here. So you know, it reminds me a lot of the Hellboy, of the Hellboy gun. So it's pretty dope. Seems like it has a good weight to it too. It's real nice. Trigger pull. It seems here has a light. Okay, so it takes batteries, I guess. It's pretty dope. Let's see. Might have to check the instructions and see what batteries it take. It's pretty hot. Woo! Cock the hammer back. Pretty dope. So, all right. So I see here you cock this back, load one of the balls in there, pause. Also, let's see, you put all of them in there? I just put one. Let's keep loading it up, see what happens. No, I don't think you put all of them in there. So, I'm gonna take a minute, check the instructions, and see exactly what's what. So I don't want to break this thing. I'll be right back. See what's up with this. Alright, so I'm back, man. Read the instructions. This is the first time I really read instructions, but I just want to know more about the gun because the design is a little bit more unique and a little more, it's not complex. I just thought it would be a little more easier. So this is a one-shot gun. So basically, every time you want to shoot a round, you have to load the round in. I thought it was going to be a 6-shooter, like a revolver type, but it's not. So, this button down here is not for any flashing lights. This is actually the safety for the trigger. So I won't shoot. When you release it, now I can shoot. The hammer cockback mechanism is just for show. Of course, you knew that. So every time you load a round in, you have to pull it back like that. You load the round, and you're not supposed to push it all the way in. You're not supposed to load any more rounds. You just load the one round, and then you push it forward and then you were able to shoot. I'll be honest with you, for nostalgia, I'll keep it, but I thought you was going to be able to load 6 rounds. I don't know. I don't know about loading a round every time I want to shoot. Like, it's kind of boring. That means I have to keep the rest of the balls in my pocket, and my kids will definitely take advantage of me trying to use this thing. But for, running around and shooting them and off guard when we're not having a Nerf battle, yeah, it might be fun. So I'm gonna go mess with them, and I'll be back next time in the next video. So yeah, have fun. Merry Christmas, and I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.